it gets here in Arizona. We're going to spend time outdoors. All you need is a little bit of shade. And that's what we have right here. It depends on how you get it. Robert Mulvin, he is the owner of All Pro Shade Concepts. He's out there cranking up the shade for us, Robert. Hey, let's talk about this. This is a different kind of shade that you guys do. We've always talked about these, right? The motorized shades, but this is another option for people. It's a manually operated shade, right? And it's all done through
a hand crank.
This hand crank right here. Why do people choose this
So this is a little bit of a less expensive option. If you don't mind going out and cranking down your unit to get some shade, you don't really care about pushing a button, or you just can't get electricity, then they go for the manual option.
Okay, so let's talk about this one. This is mounted on the outside here of this lovely patio.
They wanted to get a little more patio room, but they wanted it to blend, so it kind of hid when it was up and not in use. So that's why they got the protective cover, and they got the color that matches perfectly with the stucco.
It looks gorgeous. Now we are in an HOA, which I want to point out because that is absolutely an option, because you help and work with the HOA and the homeowner to make sure that you're all on.
Because if you get something that not everybody likes or everybody can get, they're going to tell you you can't have it. But we have all the different colors, options. You can get this in an open roll. You can have it on tracks. They went for the middle of the road, a manual unit, still protected in the cover because it's mounted outside. This is the west, so this just gets beat.
Yeah, it's a brutal facing in the summertime. So go ahead and crank that down for me. While you're doing that, I want to talk a little bit about what makes this different, because the cables on the outside there that hold this in place, it's a little bit different than sometimes we see the actual tracks. But this is what you have when you do the manual crank, right?
Yes, the manual, they have a little bit of a gap for airflow. It doesn't make it so stuffy in there, but it keeps the fabric and the shade from flapping around and getting destroyed like if you go to the store.
Now, you stay right there, Raul. I'm gonna come around here because what I wanna show is that you can't see me. And this is the beauty of it, because the sun's beating through here in the summertime. Go ahead and crank it up for me again there, Robert. Thank you so much, because I can see perfectly out, but you can't see in, and it's also blocking the sun. Can you get different densities?
You can. This is the 95. You can get up to 99%, but I think the 95 is the best. It has the most colors, and as you can see, it only takes just a few seconds, and it's not even hard. A 6-year-old can do this.
So here's the cool part about it. When they're out here enjoying their beautiful patio, they've got the beautiful pool in the yard. You can still be out here even when it's 125,000 degrees.
It'll drop the temperature in this little space at least 15 degrees in the afternoon.
How many different choices, if you don't live in an HOA, how many different choices do you have in colors?
For the cassette, there's 7 colors, but we can custom powder coat to anything you want. The fabrics, there's about 28 colors where there's different choices of density, and then that comes different choices of fabric colors.
So you also have a showroom that people can come and actually look at the different options.
And they can try it. We have a manual unit. You can try it.
See if you can do it, right?
See if
it's very easy.
It's super easy, whether it's 22 feet or 5 feet.
I'm gonna try it.
Anybody can do it.
Yeah, a 6-year-old. Look, it's super easy. You do get a little bit of a hand crank workout. No, I'm just
keep your arms going.
Yeah, right. Coming down fast. All right, I love it. All right, so if you want to know more, all you have to do is make an appointment at the showroom. They'll check it out, or they'll come to you. Either way. Free estimate and free installation. You can visit the showroom, just make an appointment at All Pro Shade Concepts at 623-204-1476, or visit the website to see and learn more, allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects? Be sure and follow All Pro Shade Concepts and other businesses and services that can help you out. Find our list of Home Pro experts to make it easy, abc15.com/homepro.